Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Uber Cash to pay for your next trip. This simple process will help you manage your ride balance easily. So now let's get started. Step 1, you need to open the Uber app on your smartphone and log into your account. This is the first essential step to access all your personal payment settings and ride history securely. Step 2, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the account option. This section acts as your main profile hub where you can manage your settings and view your rewards. Step 3, navigate to the top middle section of the account page and click on the wallet button. This area is specifically designed to show your current balance and all the different ways you pay for rides. Step 4, you can now add money to your balance and set up your preferred payment method. Doing this ensures you have enough funds ready for your journey and keeps your transactions running smoothly. Step 5, go back to the main home screen and enter your destination to book the ride you want. It is important to confirm your pickup location and choose the vehicle type that best fits your needs. Step 6, once you have confirmed your trip details, simply select Uber Cash in the payment options before you finalize the booking. This ensures the fare is deducted directly from your preloaded balance instead of your credit card. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.